it's actually part of this cold front that we're talking about because there is going to be a lot of activity during the overnight hours tonight, and that cold front is going to be a major part of it. So the team's been talking about this all day long about how to approach what's going on because it's going to seem like things are pretty quiet to start with. But overnight tonight, as Phil mentioned, when you're asleep, that's when, if there are watches and warnings, you want to make sure you're able to get those. Right now, most of the Columbus metro area is fairly quiet. A couple of sprinkles out on the east side, more of that up into parts of Knox and Morrow counties, and you can see a little more of that stretches out toward Marion County. So as we go through the night tonight, this warm air is going to contribute to some rising air, and that means that we could end up with some of these strong to severe storms. Your relative humidity right now at 75%, so there's plenty of moisture in the air, and we've got a breeze out of the south at 12 miles per hour. Your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions in Marysville at 60 degrees, Mount Vernon at 61, Zanesville and Cambridge at 63. So this, for this time of the year, is really, really mild air. The evening looks fine. Not going to see a whole lot of drama through the evening, but once we get past midnight, you see these batches of storms that begin to come through. Some of this by 3 o'clock in the morning, likely to be pretty heavy with some downpours. We get some thunder and lightning out of these, and some of these could develop hail or even rotation. And that's why we're keeping a very close eye on these throughout the overnight hours tonight, because scattered strong to severe storms are possible across most of Ohio. Southwestern and south central Ohio could have numerous strong storms as that cold front gets closer to us. Now, because of that, the biggest issues are going to be hail and gusty winds, but a tornado's not out of the question, and that's why we're going to need to stay weather aware. The temperatures this evening, very mild, still going to be in the 60s, and we're going to call the overnight low 61. I think that's about where you're going to be by midnight tonight. That is going to fall from there. So that's the high for tomorrow before the front comes in. Here's 8 o'clock in the morning. You notice we still have some scattered, potentially strong storms in the region. But as that front gets in here, look at this, how quickly it changes over into some snow flurries. So your morning is likely to feel like a stormy spring day. But in the afternoon, it's going to feel like winter again. Some parts of Ohio could even get upwards of an inch or more of rain as these storms come through. So a weather alert tomorrow morning as this cold front comes in. 61 early in the day, you'll be in the 30s in the afternoon, 20s overnight. Sunshine on Thursday, another chance for some rain on Friday, and the weekend looks spring-like and beautiful.